Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about how to interface this LCD with the Arduino board. To interface the LCD with the Arduino board, we need to have breadboard also. So first let us see the connections. This LCD is 16 cross 2 LCD. It consists of 16 columns and 2 rows. First of all, the first pin of the LCD is VSS pin. This VSS pin should be connected to the negative of the breadboard. Let's do that. And next pin of the LCD is VDD pin. It should be connected to the positive of the breadboard. And next one is the V0 pin. This is the contrast pin, and to have maximum contrast we need to ground this pin. Okay, and then the next pin is RS pin. This is the register select pin. In order to have okay, this is the register select pin. We need to connect this pin to the 12th digital pin of the Arduino. Let's do it. This is the ground pin, this is the 13th pin, and this is the 12th pin. And the next pin of the LCD is RW pin. That is nothing but read and write pin. It should be connected to the 11th digital pin of the Arduino. Okay. And the next pin of the LCD is enable pin. It should be connected to the 10th digital pin of the Arduino. Okay, now we came to the data bits. Here we have 8 data bits in the LCD, but in this experiment we are going to use only 4 bits. That means we are going to use from D4 to D7. First of all, connect this D7 bit to the second digital pin of the Arduino. 0, 1, 2. Yes. And D6 pin to the third digital pin of the Arduino. Third digital pin of the Arduino. And the next pin of the LCD is D5th pin. It should be connected to the fourth digital pin of the Arduino. And the next pin of the LCD is D4th pin. It should be connected to the fifth digital pin of the Arduino. Yes, we are almost done, and now we need to connect this 5 volts pin of the Arduino and ground pin of the Arduino to the breadboard. Let's connect that. Let's connect this 5 volts pin of the Arduino This is the 5 volts pin, and it should be connected to the uh, positive of the breadboard, and the ground pin should be connected to the negative of the breadboard. Okay, now let us connect this circuit with the laptop. Yes, let's upload this code. Sorry, here we forgot to connect these pins. Let us connect those. Just a second. We forgot to connect these anode and cathode pins. We need to connect this anode and cathode pins. The anode should be connected to the positive of the breadboard, and the cathode should be connected to the negative of the breadboard. Yes, we are done. Let's connect this Arduino with the laptop. Yes, let's upload the code. Now, here the first line is slash include liquid crystal.h. We are extracting the liquid crystal library, and next one is we are connecting, we are just the pins which we are connecting from the LCD to Arduino, we are marking in this section. This RS pin is connected to the 12th digital pin, and RW pin to the 11th digital pin, and enable to the 10th digital pin, and the 4 bit to the 5432. And next one is void setup. Here we are initializing the LCD, and in void loop we are just setting the cursor and printing the name. So we are setting the cursor at 0th column and 0th row. The first 0 indicates the column and the next 0 indicates the row. So we are placing the cursor at 0th column and 0th row, and then we are displaying the name as Tejashwini. Let's see the output. Just upload this code. Yes, done uploading. Now let's see this. Yeah, the name displayed here is Tejashwini in the 0th row and 0th column. Okay, now let us display this name in the first row and 0th column. For that, we just need to change the cursor point at 0, 1. And upload this code. Yes, done uploading. Let's see the output. I'm sorry, I did not save it, so it did not come. Let's save it first and then let's upload this. Done compiling. Yes, uploading. Yes, done uploading. Now you can see in the output the name displays it from top row to the bottom row, that is from 0th row to the 0th column. Thank you friends.